everyone, today I am unboxing Nike FitAdapt Automax Jetstream Color. Was released on December 26, 2020, and I bought this from Luisa via Roma, and they have just shipped it to me, and this is the package. Somehow it was upside down. So first thing first, I need to disinfect the whole box before I open it because of the current COVID viruses and all kind of germs. So I don't want to get that. So yep. Better be careful. Same thing with when you buy groceries from a grocery store. When you get home, you have to wipe all of them up before you put in your pantry or in the fridge for for protecting reason, whatever it is. So I'm going to open the box. I have to be very carefully because I'm not sure which way is open. Seem to be very carefully packing. A lot of tape. I don't want to damage the Nike box inside, so I have to be extremely very careful here. Well, this is the receipt. And then a bunch of bubbles. Ooh, it's cute for popping, And then the product itself. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I'm gonna throw this down. There you go. This is the Nike FitAdapt Automax Jetstream Color. There's a pull tab here and pull to open. And there is a fabric tab in here. And in here there are a pair of shoes. The security tag from Luisa via Roma. So if you take this off, you cannot return it. And I'm gonna take the shoes out. And in the box, in the middle, this is like the charger for the box and all the accessories that come with it. There you go, and this is like kind of like a toy to put out, put somewhere you want. So there you go. And in here, this is like containing the charger, and because I bought this from Italy, so I have the EU plug, charging the charger, EU plug, and the USB cable in this box. Just leave it here. Next, to get the charging pad out. The charging pad, this is where you put your shoes on and you charge your shoes. Just like this. And there is a user manual for the shoes. And I will review them when I try them on and how I feel about them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone.